If you've seen the flashy ads for Retina Clear claiming it can restore 20/20 vision, erase eye floaters, and even prevent blindness with a so-called 7-second eye flow hack and red root ritual, you might be wondering if it's the breakthrough the eye care industry doesn't want you to know about, or just another internet gimmick. The marketing is loaded with big promises, emotional testimonials, and constant name-dropping of Oxford and Harvard to sound credible. But when I looked deeper, a very different picture emerged. The backstory about secret discoveries and hidden cures falls apart quickly once you notice the unverified doctors, stock images, and what appear to be AI-generated testimonials being used to push the product. Yes, ingredients like lutein, bilberry, and other antioxidants are known to support general eye health. But there's no scientific proof that a single pill can reverse blindness or permanently eliminate floaters. That's a huge red flag right away. Even the way Retina Clear is sold raises concerns. Missing company details, vague made in the USA claims with no transparency, fake urgency tactics like countdown timers, and scripted sales funnels all point to a dropshipping model rather than a legitimate medical solution. On top of that, many reviews circulating online seem suspiciously fake, often repeating the same phrases across different sites, and claims of FDA approval simply don't check out. When you add it all up, the pattern looks very familiar to recycled supplement scams that have been rebranded countless times. So does Retina Clear really work, or is it a scam? Based on the evidence, it's clear this product is built on exaggerated promises with zero clinical backing. While it might contain some nutrients that generally support eye function, it's far from the miracle cure it's advertised to be, and anyone considering it should think twice before falling for the hype.